Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, in this video I want to show you guys how I got this makeup look. It's an everyday makeup look that I have created. It's easy, it's quick, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's just get started. First, I'm just going to put my hair away from my face so it just doesn't come in a way of doing the makeup. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit and use an angle brush. To use the wax that comes in the kit, I'm going to set my brows with it, and then I'm going to go with the powder in the brow kit and I'm going to do my eyebrows. As I'm done with the brows, I'm going to move on to my concealer. For my everyday makeup concealer, I use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe 50, and I'm going to use my PAC 219 brush. Just going to use this concealer under my eyes, the corners of my nose, and the corners of my mouth as well, wherever I want to hide slight pigmentation. A little bit on my forehead as well, since I'm not applying any foundation. And spray it with the Fix Plus and buff it out using the brush. Then I'll be using the banana powder to set the concealer on my face. And then I'm going to take the Studio Fix powder from MAC in the shade 44.5 and a large powder brush, and I'm going to go all over my face and neck. Then I'm going to move to the blush and use an angled blush to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to tightline my eyes using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Then I'll be taking this neutral palette. It's from Sonia Kashuk, and a taper brush. I got this from Sephora a long time ago. I will be applying a dark brown or a burnt brown shade in my crease area because I want to add some dimension to my eyes. Curl my eyelashes and apply the mascara. I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. Finally, moving on to the favorite part of my makeup routine, the lipstick. I'm using this Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Top Thrill. I love this nude peachy color, not peachy, like pinkish nude for my everyday makeup look. Then to finish it off, to finish off the entire makeup look, I'm going to spray my face with MAC Fix Plus. This helps the makeup last longer and makes it look fresh. That's it, you guys. I'm done with my everyday makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.